Artificial intelligence. You've heard the term, but what does it really mean for your business? Today, we're breaking down what every entrepreneur needs to know about AI. Welcome to Digital Recipe. I'm Umar Sani, and if you're an entrepreneur, freelancer, or digital enthusiast, this is the place for you. Today, we're diving into AI, or artificial intelligence, a game-changing technology that's reshaping the way businesses operate. But don't worry, we'll keep it simple and straightforward. So, what exactly is AI? In simple terms, AI refers to machines that can learn, reason, and make decisions, just like humans. Think of it as software that can analyze huge amounts of data, recognize patterns, and automate tasks, all without needing constant input. But why should you, as an entrepreneur, care about artificial intelligence? Here's why. Artificial intelligence can save you time, cut costs, and improve productivity. Imagine automating repetitive tasks, predicting customer trends, or even enhancing your marketing campaigns with precision. That's the power of AI. Let's look at a few practical ways you can use AI in your business today. Number 1. Customer service. AI chatbots can handle basic inquiries, freeing up your time for bigger tasks. Imagine this. A potential customer visits your website at 2 a.m., but they have a few questions before making a purchase. Instead of waiting for business hours, an AI chatbot can instantly respond, providing answers to frequently asked questions like product details, shipping information, or return policies. These chatbots can handle multiple queries at once, ensuring that your customers get immediate responses without you needing to hire a 24/7 customer support team. Plus, they can be programmed to escalate more complex issues to a human agent when necessary, ensuring a smooth customer service experience. In future videos, we will dive deeper into how to set up AI chatbots and customize them for your business needs. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss these valuable practical sessions. Number 2. Marketing automation. Tools like AI-driven email marketing can segment your audience and send personalized content. Marketing is all about reaching the right people at the right time, and this is where AI shines. With AI-driven marketing tools, you can automatically segment your audience based on their behaviors, preferences, and purchase history. For example, if someone has been browsing your website but hasn't made a purchase, the AI can send them a personalized email with a discount code to encourage them to buy, or it can upsell related products to existing customers based on their previous purchases. This level of personalized marketing was once only possible for big companies, but AI has made it accessible for businesses of all sizes, ensuring you engage your audience more effectively. Want to learn how to set up effective AI-driven email marketing campaigns and other automations in today's marketing efforts? Stay tuned, as we'll be covering this topic in detail in upcoming videos. Number 3. Inventory management. AI systems can predict stock shortages and help you manage inventory more effectively. For businesses that deal with physical products, managing inventory is a constant challenge. Over-ordering can lead to wasted resources, while running out of stock can mean missed sales opportunities. The AI-powered inventory management systems analyze past sales data, seasonal trends, and even external factors like weather or holidays to predict demand more accurately. This helps you maintain optimal stock levels, ensuring that you always have what your customers need when they need it. By automating inventory management, AI not only saves you time, but also reduces costs and prevents overstocking or stockouts. We'll be showcasing practical examples of AI inventory management in future videos, so make sure to catch those insights. Number 4. Data analysis. Whether it's sales, marketing, or customer feedback, AI can process data faster than any human, giving you insights you can act on. Data is the backbone of any business decision, but analyzing vast amounts of data manually can be time-consuming and prone to errors. Artificial intelligence can sift through enormous data sets in seconds, identifying patterns and insights that would take humans much longer to find. For instance, AI can analyze your sales data to identify which products are performing best, what times of year see peak sales, or which marketing campaigns bring the most traffic to your website. Similarly, it can process customer feedback from various channels to pinpoint common issues or suggestions, helping you make informed decisions that improve your products and services. In short, AI turns data into actionable insights, enabling you to make smarter, data-driven decisions. Curious about how to use AI for detailed data analysis? We'll be exploring this in future episodes, so stay updated. Now there are some myths about AI we need to clear up. No, artificial intelligence isn't just for big tech companies, and it doesn't have to be expensive. Also, while AI automates tasks, it's not here to replace humans. It's here to work alongside us and make our jobs easier. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a buzzword, it's a tool that every entrepreneur should consider integrating into their business. And if you want to learn more about how to integrate AI with your business along with the marketing efforts, or whether you want to learn about AI digital tools and strategies, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with fellow entrepreneurs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.